Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down, unplugging the PC, and grounding yourself. Static kills components, so don't skip that. Once done, remove the side panel and locate the existing drive. Is it an M, 2 on the motherboard, or a 2, 5 in a bay? Make sure you backed up data and confirm the new SSD's interface and physical size match. Otherwise, the swap won't physically or electrically fit. Then, prepare a small Phillips screwdriver and a clean work area to proceed. You'll remove the old drive now. For M, 2, loosen the standoff screw and slide the module out at an angle. For 2, 5, pull the tray and disconnect cables, then lift the drive free. Next, install the new SSD, insert M, 2 into the slot at a shallow angle, press down gently and fasten the screw or slide a 2, 5, SSD into its bracket and reconnect SATA power and data. Make sure connections are firm. Loose cables cause boot failures, so double-check seating before closing. You'll finish by closing the case, reconnecting power, and booting into BIOS to verify the new SSD appears. This confirms electrical and physical installation. If the drive is missing, power down and reseat it. Try another M, 2 slot or SATA header, and confirm OSI or NVMe options are enabled in BIOS because wrong settings prevent detection. Once seen, initialize and format in your OS or restore a cloned image. And finally, make sure drivers are installed so performance and trim work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.